Hey, what's up, guys? This is the boy David Liggins with no rep limits. And first and foremost, I want to apologize for not posting any videos for like the last 3 months. I know it is crazy. It is crazy. Things have been very busy, but that's no excuse, okay? Because everybody's posting content and doing their business is going to be busy. So I just want to apologize for not keeping up with the channel, etc. But this video here is a testament to my recommitment to providing more content for you guys, hopefully providing value for you. And I guess not one, but another reason is to keep myself accountable. That's huge, guys. All right, so now that I got that over with, what have I been up to with the business? Man, things have been kind of crazy. First and foremost, actually, I want to give a big shout out to a few people. Eric Chen, Henson, Aaron's. So Henson and Aaron's, they're the owners of Feedback Wiz. Then we also have Eric, who works at StartPad, for giving me the introduction to Henson. They invited me down to Cali, NorCal, in San Francisco to speak at one of their meetups. And guys, I had an amazing time. An amazing time. It was a very fruitful experience for myself, and I hope it was for everybody that was there. Very passionate group of people. I think there was like over 50 people that attended this meetup. So to me, in my eyes, that was major success. And also big shout outs to Clint, one of my friends here who's also doing Amazon FBA. He's doing very well for himself. We both spoke on a panel. I wouldn't say a panel, but we both spoke to this audience for this meetup, and it was an amazing time. I absolutely loved it. So thank you very much, guys, for getting me out there and speaking with your community. So I really appreciate it, and I hope to be back for the next one. All right, so for those of you who are new to the channel or just seeing this video for the first time, my name is David Liggins. I'm the owner of No Rep Limits, which is my brand. I sell products on Amazon, so a lot of this channel is going to be focused on Amazon FBA and documenting my journey from pretty much the beginning all the way to sourcing products and how I'm selling, okay? I haven't really been doing that well, but this is a recommitment to that, and hopefully I can provide some content for you guys that you find valuable and you can follow along with my journey if you're in this stage of the process also. No rev limits also has another meaning, and it's my passion for cars. It's no rev limits when you're behind the wheel, you're on the track, you're hearing that engine just scream. So I have a big passion for cars. I take my car to the track like pretty much once or twice a month. Haven't been able to get out there too often, but I did have one a couple weeks ago, and it was absolutely fast. I posted one of my best times. Actually, maybe I'll give you a quick sneak peek of I guess a point of view from inside the car at the end of this video, so stay tuned if you want to see that. Anyways, so what have I been up to with Amazon FBA? Let me tell you. Woo! So for those of you who kind of been watching a few videos, I talked a little bit about PPC and all these other strategies and optimizing, etc. Well, we just finished Prime Day, and I've learned so much from, this is my second Prime Day. I had one last year, but this is my second Prime Day. I've learned so much during a particular Prime Day. So I learned so much about my listing and my niche, etc. And so I'm going to be talking about those things over the next few videos. But right now, I just want to kind of give you a quick overview of some of the things that have happened. I'll show you my Prime Day sales also. Actually, I'll cut to it right now. Boom. All right. In the screen right now, guys, it's showing you my sales dashboard. So let me go ahead and refresh this so you know. Go to reports, business reports. And guys, I'm doing this just to show you that I'm selling right now. You know what I mean? And I'm not just trying to spit out information without any knowledge of, doing this stuff. I am actually in the grassroots right now, okay? So you can see today, July 23rd, 15 sales. It's about 1:41 p.m. Pacific time, okay? Let's pop over to Prime Day. I'm just going to show 2 days at once. 16th and 17th here. Boom. 79 sales throughout that day. And again, guys, I'm in a particular niche where it's already a lower price item. You can see this, right? So, having discounts on this is not going to make too terrible of a difference, without signaling that you have a bad product or poor quality. So I did do a coupon on that particular day, just to make sure that I was competitive, for all the sales going on and try to capitalize on some of that traffic. But my biggest issue was I needed to optimize my listing a little bit more. And I also need to rank for some of the higher volume search terms that I'm not on the first page for. that's going to take time, especially with something that's a little bit more mature, like this particular niche, as far as some of the sellers who are dominating right now. So it's going to take a little bit of time, and I'm working on that. So we'll see how things go after the optimizations kind of sets in and gets in the back end, etc. So those are the sales here. Now I did talk about I've been selling for like a year and a half or so. So let's just go back to let's go to year to date real quick, so you can see how I'm doing year to date. And this is what I was meaning that, I was expecting to do between 250 and 350,000 this year. I'm not going to hit that at all, guys. Um, Again, when I mentioned roadblocks, I thought I was going to have another 2 variations for this particular brand out. Most likely I will not. And I thought I would have them out already. I've actually had to lower my price because of competition coming in selling cheaper products. Lower quality, but still, you got to be competitive. So I had to lower my price a little bit. So this is kind of what it is. And I'm probably going to tap out at about 130 to 150, depending on how Q4 goes. But such is life, but I'm okay with this, you know what I mean? And so this is 1 product, 2 variations, guys. And, I am doing 6 figures with that. I'm doing a pretty significant number a month. And so just got to keep it up. So let's see how I do, or how I did, I should say. Let's go for the last 12 months. Okay, guys, let's see what I'm doing here. I actually haven't looked at this number too much. So today is the 23rd. So I'm gonna go to the 23rd of last year to today, or yesterday, 22nd. So today's not finished. There we go. There you have it, $143,000. I did have a couple of products that I was trying to get rid of in my last brand in this number, but this is 98% sales coming from my new brand, which again was 2 products. I had 3 at one time, but then sold out. Only had 200 units of that one. Didn't restock it. I felt like it was just, I probably should have restocked it, to be quite honest with you. Lower volume but higher profit. But yeah, $143,000 over the last 12 months. So I'm probably going to beat that for this year. But it just depends on how Q4 goes. And hopefully I can source 2 more products by October, launch them for Q4, and get things rolling. So anyways, guys, those are my sales. So guys, I know there's been a lot of things going on in the community, especially YouTube, about gurus and people faking sales and giving information, not really selling. Okay, that's not happening here, guys. First and foremost, I'm not claiming to be a guru. Okay, I'm just a one-man shop who are just in the grassroots trying to grow their business. But I want to share my experiences, both good and bad, with you. Okay, and so I just want to give you a snapshot of what I've been doing for sales, because really that just lets you know that I'm selling also, guys. So the information I'm telling you and sharing with you are experiences that I've had. I'm just not looking at different videos or looking over somebody else's seller account. No, these are my experiences. I own them, and I just want to share them with you guys. So be at ease that I am going through this process with you, okay? And speaking of going through processes, what's going to happen here, and I'm hoping that I can document as much as possible, is I've actually just signed up for Brandon Young's Seller Systems class. Now, there's not a promotion for him right now. We'll see how the class goes. But basically, it's going to be a 12-week program where we're going to go from A to Z, getting the product, finding your product, doing product research, sourcing, pictures, listing optimization, pretty much everything to getting the product in Amazon and selling, okay? That is the goal. So, there are mistakes I've made. And one of the things that you constantly want to do with Amazon FBA is continue learning. And you continue learning from people who are doing better than you. And Brandon, by far, is doing better than me. So, way better than me. So goals, guys. We got to have goals. So I've invested in myself, and I'm invested in this class. I trust the content that it provides. I trust this process. So I'm going to follow it to the T, guys. I'm going to follow it to the T. Probably give my review afterwards about the process, but I'm going to be documenting that whole process of product research all the way through sourcing and getting my product live. Now, with respect to the course itself, I'm not going to be able to give you any other details and things that go in the course in great detail, but I can document my process and my experiences. Okay, so look forward to that. That's going to be a big part of the videos and content I'm going to be shooting over the next couple of months. I'm super excited about this, guys, because boy, I'm probably going to be starting another brand, my third brand with this one. Depending on what I find, I'm going to look at something I can scale and scale inside of my brand and build my brand, or expanding my brand, but also maybe look at some items of starting a third brand. So, or maybe relaunching my first brand. I don't know. Everything's up in the air right now. All those are possibilities, but I'm excited about the journey, getting ready for Q4, which is crazy because Q4 is like around the corner. We're almost to Q4. We need to start sourcing right now for Q4, and that's 2018. 2018 is gone, which is crazy. Anyways, I'll stop rambling. Let me talk a little bit more about how my business has been going. Now, another thing is that you're always going to run into hurdles and roadblocks, guys, okay? With this particular brand, I was expecting to do between $250,000 and $350,000 in revenue this year, okay? I don't think I'm going to hit that now. And the biggest reasons why is because I ran into some ranking issues. I haven't been able to rank as quickly as I needed to or wanted to, and that means that I haven't been able to scale and to get more variations under this particular product line. Okay, so I was expecting to have about 4 variations by Q4. Right now I'm at 2, and I may just stay at 2. I may add one more, but I'm not 100% sure. It depends on sourcing, which I'm going to talk about in the next few videos. But I may add another variation, but right now I'm just listing with 2 particular products, 1 product, 2 variations, and I guess year to date I'm at about $93,000 and $94,000, I believe. I would say around $2,000 of that is giveaways. So I guess in the 12-month span, I'll probably hit, I don't know, I may hit around 140, maybe 150,000, depending on how many products I release this year. I'm hoping to launch 2 more products within the next 12 weeks under that program, but we'll see how that goes. So anyways, guys, I am glad to be back. I hope you'll follow me. If you're interested in what this channel has to offer, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more content, hit the bell if you want to get notified when I do more videos, guys. But I'm excited to be back. I'm looking forward to this. Again, thank you, Jamie, for giving me that motivation to keep going and doing this. And I just want to, put it out there, just put out the content, let you guys take it all in, give me some feedback, and I can improve from here. So, without further ado, I really appreciate it, guys, and I'll see you at the next section.